Welcome guys to our guide on using the Stow N Go system on the Chrysler Pacifica. Whether you guys are going out on the big family road trip or heading out to the grocery store to get a big haul of groceries, let me show you how this is going to make your life a lot easier. All right, we're going to first start by moving the seat forward. Once the seat goes forward, we're going to pull our floor up. It does stay. We're going to grab our first lever. It drops everything. Then we're going to grab our Stow N Go and bring this down to the floor. Lastly, we're going to pull our floor out, lay it down, and it connects. And then we have the ability to even move this seat back. And once it's done, I can even close the door and go on to the next area. And for the rear, all we're going to do, it's all labeled by numbers. We're going to pull 1 to drop the top. We're going to pull 2 to bring it down. And we're done there. We're going to go to the other side. We're going to pull 1 to drop the top, 2 to pull it down, and we're good. Now I can load everything and get on to the next area. All right, so not limited to just the driver's side, you can also Stow N Go on the passenger. Same idea, floor up, seat down, Stow N Go release, and then bring that floor back out, and we're good to go. Now that you guys have seen the versatility of the Chrysler Pacifica and its Stow N Go, I'm sure you feel the same way I do. Come check it out and see what kind of deals we have for you and your family. We can't wait to see you guys soon.